You guys, hello. Thank you again for coming back to my show. I so appreciate you. So tonight we're gonna do one more Halloween-y project. I have some of those skeletons left over from the last project we did, and I got some little wooden pallets and some, what do you call them? Dowel rods from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to show you guys some pictures of that stuff so you know what I'm talking about. And I don't know what we're going to do, but we're going to do something with them. So, and this is something that you can paint if you choose to, or you can just leave it plain. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so we have 2 pallets from the Dollar Tree. We have 3 skeletons left over from the string that they were on, also from the Dollar Tree. And then we have these little dowel rods that I cut in half. Those are from the Dollar Tree. All right, so we have the hot glue gun getting ready over here, which you guessed it, Dollar Tree. All right, so I really don't have an actual plan, but I think we're just gonna take the dowel rods, stick them on here, and then put the other pallet on top. So we have like a little platform. I think this one should be over further because I don't think you can see it. Oh shit! But there's a little cross beam in there, and I want it. That's how the other ones are, and I want that to be even. You guys, check this out. You know how a camel doesn't have to drink a whole lot of water like all the time, you know, because they store it and all this? But did you know that there's another animal out there that doesn't need a whole lot of water like we would think? I'll tell you, it's a cheetah. And they only have to drink once every 3 or 4 days. Now, I don't know how much they have to drink, but damn, out there in all that hotness and chasing shit around, and they only have to drink that a little, you know, a little bit? That's fucked up. It seems like these are dry now. They feel pretty sturdy to me for what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna take the glue gun and give it a blob on each one. Can't really tell if I'm on the mark, but I think I am. Yep, all good. So this is what we have. And then Okay, I have this guy already with his arms out. So he can be, you know, just trying to get up here, I guess. So he's like halfway up, okay. And then we better glue a foot down over here. Oh shit, will your foot even go? Oh, you're going, buddy. All right. Oh yeah, you're on there. And you feel like you're on there pretty good. Okay, so we'll let him sit. Now, we can, hi baby. Hi lover, lover. Hi. So this guy, I'm just trying to bend his arms up a little bit here. And I think we're just gonna let him chill out down here, you know? He can have his feet kind of kicked out a little bit, right? Okay, so let's give him a little blob of glue. Pretty good size glob because I don't really know where his butt's gonna go. So he's just going in. He's gonna go right here. What if we put his one hand over, oh shit, over here, you know? Like, what about that? Yeah, I think we should do that because he seems to want to lean back quite a bit. Well, I don't even know if I got that where I needed it. Oh shit. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Was he holding on? God dang it, some hot shit. Like, what a dumbass. Sticking my freaking hand in there. Oh, god dang it, and I keep doing it. Idiot, okay. Is that good? I think so. That was good enough. All right, cool, now let's try. Now we can cross his legs. God dang it, are you fucking kidding me? There, just like that. Yeah. Okay, so he's just, you know, holding on. Hey, how you doing? This guy's like, I'm half a zombie. Oh, shit. You gotta mess with his feet just right. Okay, now we still have one more dude. And his arms are already out. So, I don't know. I'm just messing around here just to see. You know what? He's kind of like not a great dancer, you know, but like maybe he's trying to do a pole dance. I don't know though. There. We don't need the glue gun for anything else. So that can be our scene. Oh shit. You know? Okay, so here's what we have. This guy over here. Not sure what he's doing with his hands, but he seems cool. All right. Then this dude is down here, just chilling. And then this crazy guy trying to do some weird pole dance. So that's it. That's what we got. Thanks for coming, guys. Happy Halloween.